Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by isolating the device to stop ongoing access. Turn on airplane mode and disconnect from Wi-Fi. Next, from another secure device, change your Apple ID password so the attacker loses account access. Once done, enable two-factor authentication and review trusted devices. Remove any unfamiliar entries. Make sure to note payment methods and check for unauthorized purchases. These steps stop further compromise quickly and prepare you to reset the phone without the attacker. You'll now secure data and perform a factory reset. First, create an encrypted backup to iCloud or to a trusted computer using Finder or iTunes so passwords and health data are preserved. Once backed up, sign out of Find My iPhone in Settings. If blocked, start Apple account recovery from another device. After that, go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset, and choose Erase all content and settings. This removes installed malware and accounts. Keep the iPhone offline until the wipe completes. Once the wipe finishes, restore only from the encrypted backup to preserve credentials safely. Avoid restoring unknown apps or configuration profiles that could reintroduce compromise. After restore, manually reinstall apps, change passwords for email, banking, and social accounts, and enable two-factor authentication on those services. Finally, if the iPhone behaves oddly or won't activate, put it into DFU mode and restore via Finder or contact Apple support for device diagnostics. This final hardening prevents repeat hacks and secures your accounts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.